Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Double the fun with Instagram's latest update. In today's video, I'm going to show you not only how to make your notes gold, but also how to get gold notes on Instagram. It's a 2-in-1 tutorial packed with all the tips you need to make your Instagram sparkle. Let's dive in and double up on your Instagram golden goodness. Once you have opened up your Instagram app, head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. Once you are there, you need to post a note, so go for notes. Here you must add the word gold in the sentence you write or in the word or note you give. There must be the word gold to avail this option. And when you're okay with it, tap on share. How cool was that? You have got double the gold. And now your Instagram is looking better than ever. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around for more awesome Instagram tips. We are just getting started and there's a lot more to come. Till then, goodbye.